Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. Today we're taking a look at the Hiboy S2 Pro electric scooter, one of the most popular commuter scooters for adults, designed to deliver a practical balance of speed, range, comfort, and portability. If you've been searching for an electric scooter for daily commuting, quick errands, or simply getting around town without dealing with traffic, this model has attracted a lot of attention. But is this product really worth buying? What do the numbers actually mean in real-world use? And why is this such a popular choice? The Hiboy S2 Pro comes equipped with a 500-watt rear hub motor capable of reaching speeds up to 19 miles per hour. That speed places it in a sweet spot for urban commuting, giving riders enough performance to cover distances quickly while still maintaining a comfortable and controlled ride. The scooter is also capable of handling inclines up to 15 degrees, making it useful for many city streets and neighborhood routes. One of the biggest highlights is the 36-volt 11.6Ah lithium-ion battery. Hiboy rates the scooter for up to 25 miles of range on a single charge under optimal conditions. For many commuters, that means several days of riding before needing a recharge. The battery can be fully charged in approximately 4 to 6 hours, making overnight charging simple and convenient. What do those range numbers mean in everyday use? A 25-mile maximum range means most riders can comfortably handle commuting to work, school, shopping trips, or recreational rides without worrying about running out of power. Combined with regenerative braking technology that helps recover energy while braking or riding downhill, the scooter is built for efficiency. Another reason the Hiboy S2 Pro stands out is its 10-inch Honeycomb solid tires. Unlike traditional air-filled tires, these solid tires eliminate the risk of punctures and flats. That means less maintenance and more time riding. The scooter also features dual rear shock absorbers that help smooth out bumps and rough pavement, creating a more comfortable experience during daily travel. Portability is another major advantage. The scooter folds quickly for storage in apartments, offices, classrooms, or vehicle trunks. Despite its durable construction, it weighs approximately 37.4 pounds, making it manageable for most adults to carry when necessary. The frame supports riders up to 220 pounds, providing versatility for a wide range of users. Safety features are also impressive for this category. The Hiboy S2 Pro includes a dual braking system, bright headlight, tail light, side lighting, and cruise control functionality. Riders can also connect the scooter to the Hiboy smartphone app, allowing access to speed settings, ride modes, lighting controls, cruise control options, and scooter locking features directly from a mobile device. Why is this such a popular choice? The answer comes down to balance. A 500W motor, 19 miles per hour top speed, 25-mile range, maintenance-free tires, suspension system, folding design, and smart app connectivity all come together in a package designed specifically for everyday commuting. These are features that many riders look for when shopping for their first electric scooter or upgrading from an entry-level model. For anyone looking for an electric scooter that combines practical performance, reliable battery life, comfortable riding characteristics, and commuter-friendly features, the Hiboy S2 Pro continues to be one of the strongest options in its class. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.